Hello guys, I'm back with a new recipe today. I'm Sham Nathani from IHM Kolkata, and today I'm going to make Jharkhand's traditional sweet dish which is called Balushai Badusha. So let's get started. First we are going to add all the wet ingredients, which will include 1/4 cup of clarified butter or ghee, then we'll be adding 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of regular yogurt or dahi. Now you need to mix it well once you add all the wet ingredients. Now we'll be adding the dry ingredients, in which we just have all-purpose flour 1 cup. Now all you need to do is make a dough out of all the ingredients for balushai. Now as you can see, we are ready with our dough. All we will be doing is we'll be wrapping our dough with a muslin cloth and keep it to rest for 20 to 25 minutes to get a soft balushai. Now that we have kept our dough to rest, we'll be making sugar syrup or chashni. For sugar syrup or chashni, we need 1 cup of sugar and half mug of water. Always remember one thing: to make a thick chashni, you should use sugar and water in the ratio of 2:1, and you should cook the chashni on low flame and continuously stir it. So as you can see, we have obtained a semi-thick consistency and all our crystal granules have been dissolved. I have cooked it for 5 to 7 minutes, and here it is. Now that our dough has rested for 20 minutes, we'll remove our muslin cloth first, and then we'll knead it properly to make it more soft. Once kneading is done, you have to roll the dough like this. And cut it into equal parts. We'll remove the side parts, and now we'll be giving it a shape of balushai like this. First, you need to roll it in your hands between both the palms. The more you roll, the better layers you get. Once you are done with rolling, you have to make a hole in between with your thumb like this. Continue doing with rest of the pieces. So guys, now as you can see, we have shaped our balushais and it is ready to get fried. So we have heat some amount of oil in a kadhai to fry the balushai. So we'll be putting balushai one by one. We'll be putting all the balushais together. Once we add all the balushai in the kadhai, we'll not stir it and we'll cook it for 4 to 5 minutes until it gets a golden brown color. And make sure you don't stir balushai because it is very delicate at this moment. Now we'll check if the balushai got golden from the bottom side or not. Yes, so as you can see, the balushai have turned golden brown in color from the bottom side. So we'll turn it around and cook it from the top side for another 4 minutes to get a golden brown color. At this stage, we'll turn the flame at medium. So now as you can see, our balushai has turned golden in color. Now we'll switch off the flame first, and then we'll take out all the balushais from oil, and then we'll dip it into the chashni. Make sure your chashni is at warm temperature, neither too cold nor too hot. From one side we have to dip it in the chashni for 2 minutes, and from other side another 2 minutes. So guys, now as you can see, I've coated the balushai properly with chashni. So now I'll take it out of chashni and transfer it into a bowl. And now we'll garnish it with some chopped nuts and raisins. So guys, as you can see, our balushai is ready to eat. It's properly cooked from inside, just like this. And it's very yummy guys. So my balushai is ready and hope you like this video. See you again until next time. Bye everyone.